Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, I'm Anita Akoja. Welcome to Keeping Up with Anita. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you darling for always coming back to watch my video. So in today's video, you've seen the products. These are products that I use and they are very affordable. So I'm going to be telling you each of those products and where to get them and the prices you can get them. Like, they are very affordable. These prices are like less than 10k. You can get these products and start using them, and trust me, you will enjoy them. You know, I'm here to give you like the best. I'm not here to like sugarcoat anything. The way I got this product is the way I will deliver. Like, where I got it, how much I got it. I'm just here to give you the truth and what will benefit you, because I know there are lots of people there looking for good products that they can use for their skin, products that will give them that result they are looking for. And trust me, these are products you can use. They are very affordable. So make sure you relax, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. While you're enjoying this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you drop your comments for me in the comment section and share this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed to this channel. Please don't hesitate, hurry up, subscribe, because lots and lots of videos are coming. Videos about cosmetics, about skincare, about products, you know, very affordable products, and where you can get them at an affordable price. So that's what this video is all about. So disclaimer, these products, I'm not advertising them for anyone, for any company. These are products that I use personally and they are working for me, and I feel I should share it with my viewers. I should share it with my family in case anybody wants some of these products, where they can get them. So I'm not doing adverts for any company. Nobody's paying me for any adverts. I'm just giving my honest review about these products and where you can get them. So this is Nivea. I'm going to start with Nivea. This is Nivea body lotion, radiant and beauty. This is a nude Nivea. You can get it, the price, like the amount you can get it for is, I think I got it for between 3,800 to 4,000 naira, and I got it in Market Square. So you can get this Nivea product, the good one, like the original one, because there are lots of fake in the market. So be careful where you're buying your products. Make sure you go to like big stores to get your product. So you can get this Nivea for between 3,500 to 4,000, if I'm not mistaken, if the price has not gone up, because prices keep shooting and going up daily. So because of the dollar rate, so please make sure if you're getting it, get it now. Because the next time you go to the market, you will not get it for that price. Maybe you get it for like 5 or 6k. So you get it for like 4k for now. Then the next product is, I got this from Saad stores for 2,500, which is charcoal beauty formulas activated charcoal facial scrub. It's for 2,500, very affordable, and it's very good. It gives you that, it helps, it removes blackhead from your skin, and it will help you unblock your pores. So it's very good. You get it for in Saad stores for 2,500 naira, very affordable. Then the next product is, this is Dr. Skin sunblock. This is a sunscreen that you use it before you go out. If you know you're entering the sun, make sure you, in all this, make sure you get this. This is very important and it's not expensive. I got it for 3,000 naira in Saad stores. Yeah, I got them in same place, 3,000, 3,000, and it's very good. Like, it will last you long, for a longer time. You have to you have to keep using it and using it, and you can use it more than 2 or 3 times daily. So you need this, and it's very affordable. Then next is simple moisturizing facial wash, which is very, very affordable and very good. I got this simple for 3,500 naira at H Medics in Abuja. It's very good and very effective. Simple smoothing facial toner, 100% alcohol free. I got this for 4,300, same at H Medics, same store, the one in Asokoro. So that's why I got this for 4,300. So you can use it. It's a facial toner. After using your facial wash, moisturizing facial wash, then you apply your toner next. That's the next thing you apply. Make sure you apply it all over your face, your ear, your neck, then before you apply your face serum. So this is very important. So you need this for your skin as well, and you can get it below 10,000 naira. The next is the Dr. Rashel vitamin C syrup. This vitamin C syrup is good. It brightens, it's anti-aging, it contains hyaluronic acid. I got it at Saad stores in Gariki, the one in Gariki, Saad stores, area 11. I got this for 3,000 naira. That's a face syrup. I've used it for like a month and I'm still enjoying it. So I got it for 3,000 naira. Next is Dr. Rashel vitamin C face cream. This is also a very good one. I've used it for like a month or so. I think I bought them same time. I got this for 2,500 and I've used it. I'm almost done with it, and I'll definitely go for it again. I'm going back there to get more. The next is my face lip balm. This lip balm, I got it same place in Saad stores for 1,000 naira. It's original. I know in the market you can get it for 500, but I got it for 1,000 naira. It's from Vaseline by Unilever. So you can just get it for your skin. You apply it on your skin. Most times, if you want to apply it, don't apply it in the afternoon and go out. Apply it only in the morning and in the night. If not, if you apply it and enter the sun, it will darken your lip. Make sure you use it just in the morning and in the night every day. The next is extracts. We all know this soap is everywhere. Extract soap. So you can get, I got this for 1,000 naira at Market Square. I got it in Market Square for 1K. Then lastly, I got this in H Medics. This is heel balm for your crack feet, crack heel, whatever they call it. Use this product. It will help you. You just need to apply it for rough, dry and crack feet. Pure and natural quality product. You will be satisfied with the results. It's by Herbal Dr. Skin. You can get this for 800 naira at H Medics. So these are all the products. You can see they are very affordable. They'll brighten your skin. They'll give you the results you are looking for. These products are not expensive. They are all very affordable products that you can use, and it will give you the results you're looking for. You don't have to go break the bank and be spending thousands of naira just to have that posh skin that you're looking for. These products can give you what you're looking for. No stress, no wahala. Just get these products, use them, and thank me later. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. I actually made this video for my subscribers, for those of you that are looking for products. So that's why I created this video for you guys, so it will be helpful to you, and I hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.